Hello everyone, my name is Aparna Chivkula and I am proud to represent the team Astra6 at SIH 2025. Our chosen problem statement is secure data wiping for trustworthy IT asset recycling with the problem statement ID 25070. Now let me ask you something simple. How many of us have an old laptop, phone or hard drive lying around at home collecting dust? Almost everyone. Every year, India's digital transformation brings a wave of new devices into our homes and workplaces. But have you ever wondered what happens to all those outdated laptops, forgotten smartphones, and dusty hard drives piling up in drawers and storage rooms? In 2022 alone, India generated a staggering 1.6 million tons of electronic waste, a number that's rising at an alarming 30% every year. This mountain of e waste isn't just a statistic, it's a growing challenge lurking in households and offices across the nation. Take a look around. Almost everyone keeps old devices, unsure what to do with them or worried about personal data falling into the wrong hands. It's a silent problem, but a pressing one. With so many of us holding on to unused electronics, the question isn't if we need a solution, but when. And that's where ZeroTrace steps in. ZeroTrace revolutionizes data security with its intuitive UI interface, allowing seamless one click data wiping on all Linux, Windows PCs, and Android phones. Even dead laptops can be securely wiped by booting from USB, ensuring a complete erasure confirmed by the message data wiped successfully. Hidden areas like HPA and DCO are highlighted with green ticks, guaranteeing no data is left behind. Users receive a digital certificate with a QR code validated instantly online, providing an authentic proof of data destruction. A real time progress bar, multilingual support, and a helpful AI chatbot make the process effortless. For organizations, ZeroTrace offers bulk drive wiping with audit logs and secure verification. This empowers confident device recycling, transforming fear into trust, supporting a global circular economy, and highlighting India's leadership in responsible e waste management. Now, my teammate will walk you through Zero Trace in action.
So this is our pen drive, which has it's a bootable pen drive which has tool ZeroTrace pre-installed. It's a custom Ubuntu ISO. So we'll now load this bootable pen OS in this bootable pen drive, and this is our target device which we want to erase. So let's go into the BIOS and let's load into this. Now it's loading the OS from our pen drive. Minutes. So now it will load our device, our application. So now it's running on my machine, the prototype. So it scans for this page is the home page, and it has many tabs. The first tab is for drives. It finds all the drives and the Android devices, any devices in this place, and then displays them. And we can see the details, the self health monitoring details of this drive, and these are the temperature, percentage of storage used, etc. And these are the partitions. Out of all the partitions it has retrieved from this drive, it will be displayed here. And then this is the erase tab. So now if this drive is only available here, so now I will attempt to erase this drive. So this is our UI for erasing. Now I won't be erasing, I'll be just showing you the info of this drive. So it displays the info of this drive using NVMe CLI. You can find out various parameters about this drive, which are like various parameters which are revealed firmware, deep firmware details. And This is our debug terminal, which were prototype we were making. So this one we can execute all shell commands. Any shell commands can be executed here. Mm. Then this is our chatbot, which is linked to an LLM, which with a custom prompt. This can help the users while navigating through their application and do their arrays process. So you can see the output of this LLM and interact with it. It's now chatting. It opens a chat with the LLM. This is using Olama. It runs in the backend and it can interact with you. It has a custom prompt for our application. We'll ask it a question just to show how good it works. Yeah, so this is linked to Llama 3. We can change it to any model, any other lightweight model, anything. We can change it to anything later. So let's close this. And this is the recovery tab. What the motive behind keeping this is, if the user wants to see before a secure arrays what he can recover and without, which is from the recycle bin. Suppose if a user did a normal delete which goes into the recycle bin and you can delete it from there, those data will still be in the memory. So if you want to see them, we have linked it to Foremost. And Foremost is a forensic tool. It will let you search through the memory and it will find, suppose if you want to search for all the PNGs, it will give you the commands. And this is the command. So you can link through the PNGs. You can search for any PNG, you can run them later, any other drive. This is just a reference command. And this is a hex dump. So hex dump, this will let you search at that location, the bytes it lets you show you. So you can use these commands to search at any partition you want. You have to specify the partition's name, and then you can search before and after the arrays. You will most likely see before an arrays some bytes or like PNG, anything. After arrays, it should be like zeros or random numbers, just to show you that it is properly cleared. And we have another feature in this UI for language. Suppose if user wants to use another language, it's he can change it here. And we have it as of now English, Hindi, and Tamil. So yes. So now let's erase an Android device. So let me connect my Android device. So it has detected my Moto device. Now let's erase this Moto device. So yeah. Yeah, so now our data is erased. Now we can also start the thing and then we can generate a certificate now. Yeah, so now our certificate got generated. Now let's scan this to get our certificate. Yeah, so our certificate's now uploaded to our database and let's see it in our database. The link's also available here and it has uploaded to our database, which is in Supabase. So yes. So this is our Motorola's certificate, which we just generated now. So this can be connected to a certificate validation portal where the user can upload a certificate and verify whether it's true or valid or not. So we have added a new feature for verifying the authenticity of our certificates. So a user can upload his certificate and check if it's valid or not. Let's test this. So our certificate, if it matches with our with our hash values and other details in our Supabase database, our zero trace tool returns it as matched. If any one parameter doesn't matches, it will tell it as not matched, and it will tell it's not valid.
At the end of the day, for Team Astra6, ZeroTrace is about empowering real peace of mind. The idea is to give people control not just over their data but over how confidently they can choose a greener path for their old devices. By bringing cutting edge security and genuine simplicity together, we are opening doors for anyone, regardless of technical know how, to safely contribute to India's e waste solution. We hope this new level of clarity and confidence encourages everyone to be a part of a safer, more sustainable future. Thank you once again. We are Astra6 and our tool is ZeroTrace.